Hello, beautiful people. If you are not interested in getting any stronger, you don't have to watch this video. If you're interested in trying something that might help you get stronger, you should watch this video. So, all you're going to need is a couple of blocks, maybe a soft floor, maybe your mat. I'm on a hardwood floor right now because that's how I'm rolling. Okay, come onto your back, lengthen your arms above your head, stretch from the fingertips to the toes. Then draw your knees in, give them a squeeze. Create a couple circles around on your tailbone. And then go the opposite direction. Keep hold of the right leg, straighten the left leg out, it can touch the ground. Squeeze this shin, squeeze the thigh to the belly, create compression, squish of the thigh to the ribs even. And then I'm going to hold the knee there, and I'm going to let the hands go, trying to keep the leg into place. All right, we're ready. So let's lift the left leg to the sky. You can kick through that heel, reach your arms above your head. I'm going to rock to a seat, putting this right foot on the ground. Boom, there I go, hands by my sides. I'm going to pump the left leg. Lift it, 5, 4, it's straight, kicking through the heel, 2, and 1. Go ahead and grab onto that right shin as you descend. Release yourself onto your back. Other side, left knee in, give it a squeeze. Right leg lengthens out. You can relax the leg on the ground to start. And then squeeze this left thigh into the rib cage. Cool. Just for fun, I'm going to let go of the leg, but I'm going to try to keep it in place as much as possible. And then we're ready. Leg up, arms above the head. I'm going to rock up to a seat, putting that left foot on the ground. My right leg doesn't touch the earth. Toes are pointing up. Knee is straight. Pump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. Grab onto your shin. In fact, before you go, make sure your blocks are by your hips now. Rock onto your back. All right, switch your legs. Right leg in, left leg long. Let's keep it moving. Arms above the head, left leg lifts. I'm going to rock up onto that foot. I'm going to use my blocks and scoot forward. So I'm really trying to squish my belly onto the thigh, taking the weight forward. I'm going to pump this left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2. All coming from the quads and the hip flexors. 1. Release it down. Come all the way back down. Squish it in. This is just us getting warmed up. Switch legs. Left leg in, right leg long. Let's keep it moving. Right leg to the sky, arms above the head. Rock to that seat. Don't let the right foot touch. I'm going to push onto my blocks. Scoot it forward. Pump the right leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put it back down. Push you down. Lower down. All the way down. All right. Now we're going to try to completely lift ourselves up. So right leg in, left leg long. Squeeze it in. Leg up, arms above the head, breathe in. Rock to the blocks, get the weight forward, see if you can push all the way up to stand. Hold on to your blocks, take a standing split, blocks to the mat, step it back into a plank pose. You can keep on your blocks and then lower your knees gently. Slide the blocks back towards your shins. So push into the blocks. I'm going to cross my shins out in front, taking my knees as high into the shoulders as I can. I'm lifting off the ground. Knees high into the shoulders. I'm going to cross the ankles, straighten the legs, and then have a seat down. Cool. Roll onto your back. We start the other side. Left leg in, right leg long. Right leg lifts, arms above your head. Breathe in. Exhale, rock to the seat, push on your blocks, push all the way up to stand, and then hinge that foot back, take your standing splits. I'm just going to scoot back on camera. Cool, you can step it back into a low lunge on your blocks, plank on your blocks. We're going to lower onto your shins. Sit back on heels, plant your blocks right by the thighs, so front of the blocks basically lining up with my knees. Push in, cross your ankles, sweep the legs out. Have a seat. Roll it down. Let's do that a couple more times. Right knee in. Left leg lifts. Arms above the head. Breathe in. Exhale, rock forward onto your blocks. Come all the way up to stand. Push up. Find that balance. There it is. And then sweep the left leg back. Hands to the blocks. Step it back, both feet. Lower your shins. Blocks by your knees. Push up, cross. L sit. Have a seat. Let's roll onto our back. Switch your sides. Left knee is in, right leg is long. Right leg up, arms up by the ears. Breathe in. Rock to that seat. Push into the blocks. Push all the way up to stand. And then sweep that leg back. Take your blocks down. Standing split. Step it back. Both back, knees down. Pushing your blocks. By your knees, let's cross the ankles out in front, knees towards the chest. Have yourself a seat. One more time, roll onto your back. We got this. Right knee in, left leg long. Left leg lifts. Arms up. Rock to the blocks. Come all the way up, push up. Fight for that balance. Standing split, take the leg back. Step it all the way back. Knees down. Slide your blocks back. Blocks right by your sides. Push in, knees to chest. Cross the ankles. Straighten the legs. And lower down. Roll onto your back. One more side. Left knee in. Right leg stays long. Right leg to the sky. Arms above the head. Breathe. Rock on your blocks. Push off. Come up. Hinge the standing leg. Standing split. Step it back. Lower your shins. Slide the blocks back. Breathe in, push in the blocks. Knees up, cross ankles. Straighten. And then lower down. Hope you had as much fun with that as I did. Let me know if you have any questions. Namaste, mother flowers. See you soon.